Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from this company. They're looking for a marketing technology manager. It pays up to $83.15 per hour. We are seeking a marketing technology manager on a contract basis to support their business needs. This role will be responsible for assessing and recommending effective, integrated technology stacks by analyzing business requirements, systems, and supporting data, improving workflow and reporting, and optimizing automation. What you'll do collaborates with business stakeholders and solution architects, designers to define the technical architecture of marketing systems. Work closely with the go-to-market process and technology team, marketing, and other GTM stakeholders to integrate MarTech with newly purchased applications and streamline, optimize existing applications. Assess legacy marketing systems suitability for our go-forward business strategy and present recommendations to drive needed architectural changes. Define and document standardized processes and procedures, as well as its security policies, principles, and practices within the company's marketing systems. Work closely with the marketing and sales organization and colleagues in its team to research and ensure the company's systems. Must-haves: 5+ years experience in information technology focused on marketing technology development and at least 2+ years of marketing solutions architecture experience required. Broad knowledge of web technologies, bonus points for enterprise coding experience. Strong knowledge of a wide range of marketing technology, e.g., web marketing and analytics, marketing automation, personalization, paid media, CDP, DMP, data warehouses, reporting, etc. Show initiative and commitment to your continuous improvement as well as our shared working methods. Ability to communicate effectively both orally and in writing. Strong analytical, problem-solving, quantitative, and time management skills. Passion for creating the best GTM technology stack and self-starter motivation will help the organization reach its fullest potential. Skills in technical architecture. Education: Bachelor of Science in Management Information Systems, Information Technology, Computer Science or equivalent combination of education, certification, and experience required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.